Hello, thank you for tuning in. My name is Suhaida2 and I run the Instagram account Suhaida2. If this is your first time watching a video by me, welcome, and if it is not, you know what to expect. Today, Stella and I welcome you to our humble kitchen where we'll be showing you how to make one of our favorite beverages, the Kokoroko. The Kokoroko is a wonderful alcoholic beverage that was invented by one of Ghana's popular bars, Republic. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, Republic, like other bars, is closed down in order to help stop the spread of the virus. Notwithstanding, it's been a while since Stella and I had a drink, so today we are going to make Kokoroko and you get to watch. If you've not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so and stay tuned. To make Kokoroko, we are first going to have to make Sobolo. And to make Sobolo, what we need is our bissap, some sugar. That's basically it if you're making Kokoroko. I like to keep the taste simple so that I can enjoy it with my vodka. But if you also want to make Sobolo, you can zhuzh it up by adding some pineapple essence or fresh pineapple peels, some ginger powder or fresh ginger. When using fresh ingredients, remember to clean them properly and add them to your bissap to boil. To begin, we are going to boil our bissap. So we have our bissap in here and we add maybe for 1 cup of bissap, I'm going to add 4 cups of water. We'll set this to boil for about 20 minutes. Now that our bissap is ready, let's take it off the stove and sieve it so that we can drain the juice from the chaff. With this, we can add as much sugar as we need. If you want to make it a juice, you can just add your ginger and your essence and you move on. If not, just the sugar will do. One of the things that makes Kokoroko so special is that it's a slushy. So on your hot Sunday afternoon, it's a perfect treat. Now we are going to fill ice trays with our bissap juice. Now we refrigerate until frozen. So after it's done, we come into our freezer and take out our ice cold Sobolo. As you can see, it's cold. We will take our blend. Only blend as much as you need, else everything is going to melt and you won't have such a great drink. So blend what you need and leave the rest in the refrigerator for later. Now we can add some mint. Be sure to wash the leaves thoroughly and remember to only blend the leaves. Exclude all the stems. And now we bring the Boss Supremo, our booze. I use vodka, but you can use any kind of alcoholic beverage. You can try experimenting yourself. And as for how much, how drunk do you want to get? And we'll add a little bit of this to help with the spinning. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, so now take this and dump it here. Not only is it tasty and refreshing, it also has health benefits such as reducing blood pressure, helping with weight loss, and detoxifying your system. My name is Suhaida and I hope you enjoyed this video. Stella says hi. Please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you soon.